Storm Slideshow!
Mountain, Ocean Swirl, and Solid Blue. Tigers safe for another match after clearing the top 5. However, Flame wasn't so lucky and is the first one eliminated.
You don't want to know.
Rainforest and Circus could have a similar fate if they do not make the top 5. There are 3 teams with only 1 marble left. Let's see if they survive.
I need the mark section.
Not that simple. You saw what happened last time we gave it a spell. Yeah. We don't want it twisting our words again and causing worse problems. Wait a second.
It's the Storm Scratch.
Circus and Rainforest are having a hard time clearing the first dish. And the marbles in the top 5 are Blizzard.
Whatever we say, the chatterbox twists our
Let's get with it. I take it.
Mountain,
we say the opposite
Ocean
of what we
Swirl,
wanted to say.
Tiger, and Circus.
We want.
Rainforest
No, I don't have to go. Lost to go.
top 5. Only 8 teams remain, and 4 of those teams
Say
are now on
nothing
the
nice.
brink.
Don't say it
We will be
twice.
changing a rule because there's only 8 teams left.
Twice.
The top 4 will advance, and the
Me
bottom 4
is the
will
chatterbox.
You're not
Let's see
handsome,
who
and you're not
stays.
Are you the guest? Yo, let's start it.
Well, thank you. It's working! It's twisting our words into nice stuff.
Hazel, you figured out how to turn the chatterbox into a sweet talker. I never even managed to do that.
Maybe we can keep the chatterbox after all.
And the teams getting safe
You know,
from
the
elimination
chatterbox is a
are
fun toy at first, but I think we're done playing with it. In fact...
Tiger. Solid Blue. And Ocean Swirl.
Don't worry. We're just holding.
Blizzard joins the 1 marble club with Galaxy, Tiger, and Solid Blue. There's
Blue
a big
stationery
chance
with
we will see
matching
at
blue
least
pen.
1
Oh,
elimination
raspberry.
in
This
this
is
next
the very
round with
best
4
first
marbles
gift
on the
ever.
brink. However, it is very rare
You know,
that
I am
all 4
so relieved
teams
to
may
hear that. I
survive
was
for
worried you
another
wouldn't like
match.
it as much as the very
Let's see
big book
if
on
it happens.
books or
I need the marks. Let's go.
because it shows me that you really thought about what I like. Something only a friend would know.
Ooh, that was a tight battle between,
Oh,
I
that's
believe,
lovely,
Galaxy
Raspberry.
and Tiger.
Look how high you can go, Orange. And those shoes really make you dance even better, Pop.
And the marbles safe in the top 4 are Serpent,
I know that this has been a
Galaxy,
strange first
Solid
toss.
Blue,
And I
and
just wanted to
Tiger.
apologize.
Alright, then see.
My
3
friend
of the
Lemon
4
when I gave
marbles
her a
on the
gift.
brink were able to clear the
And I
top
want to
4.
apologize to Plum.
Blizzard
And
was
I
the
want to
only
apologize
team
to
that was
Orange.
eliminated
Oh,
in
and
that
I
last
want to
round.
apologize
The
to
top 4 is
Raspberry.
now changed to the top
and
3
I
because
want to
there are only
apologize
6
to
teams
Blueberry.
left. On your mark,
You forgive
get
me?
set, go!
Yes! I know I'll always think about the person I'm going to give a gift to
Found the
in the
first dish,
future
but
and not
Serpent is
myself.
the first in the second part of the
Now
course.
that's what I call a great first frost. But hey, Strawberry, you never showed us your secret gift. Yeah!
Tiger's pretty far behind.
This was his take.
And the marbles making the top 3 are Mountain, Galaxy, and Solid Blue. That match brings an end to Tiger's chances of becoming champion.
Don't worry, you're changing on
More than 1 marble for one of
the
these
shy
teams.
good.
Next match could be the final. Let's see which one it'll be.
Are you guess it go?
And the marbles clearing the top 3 are... Great night found the pinball dish. Galaxy. Serpent. There's only one spot left. Let's see who'll take it. And Solid Blue.
Mountain! Do not use the wrong way.
It is now do or die for our last 4 teams. Starting this round, the last marble to reach the end
We'll be done in a night.
see who it'll be.
Ready, set, go!
I found the dish. Ooh,
Solid Blue.
just beats Ocean Swirl at the last minute there.
Please,
Time. Galaxy needs to catch up.
Once in the
Competition.
to the good people.
Serpent is safe, so Solid Blue.
We had a fight on the cat and the night place. So should with
And Galaxy will take the last spot.
after 2 good nights. It took Ocean Swirl with it.
Galaxy, Solid Blue, and Serpent are the only ones left. Which marble will be the next one eliminated? Will it be Galaxy, Serpent, or Solid Blue? Let's find out.
Under the marks, guess I.
Go.
Cat goes Kevin. You lost the challenge on the mind fired.
Ooh, Solid Blue.
Not that good. How?
And Galaxy just sneaks up behind them and gets in the funnel first. Still anybody's game though. You can definitely tell they all want to stay, but only 2 can stay in the competition. Galaxy safe, and so is Solid Blue.
Don't worry, God, it's a
But
serpent.
at least he takes 3rd, which is better.
Having nothing.
Well,
Here, guys.
Solid Blue and Galaxy are your 2 finalists. Let's see which one becomes champion.
Ready, set.
Go! It's tight. And Solid Blue just snatches it first. But Galaxy slows him down. Still anybody's game. Who will get in first?
Solid Blue missing.
Here.
Alright,
They can only
you're saying. We're gonna do a change. We're going to have no boy.
And what Galaxy just steals
You do a challenge.